It's time. It is time to check in with my best friend in stocks, options, swing trades, and even the occasional dividend. It is Friday, March 14th, 4:05 p.m. here in the balmy, talking about balmy farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. Oops. We did it again. Couple more positions sold off. We have our little lottery play on uranium. At one point today, it was up like, I don't know, $500-$600, and now it is down 100. But we have plenty of time for the uranium to get the lead out. TLT, the only remaining stock position, we have 1,000 shares, and we are down $1,525 bills. So that means, oh wait, first before that, hey, it is indeed, drum roll please, new all-time high here on 314. It is 2.928. We are sitting on 2.834 milli in cash, and I'm going to be moving some of that out just because I need to trim this portfolio. One, when I'm sitting on 2.834 in cash, only 2.5 of it is insured. Hello. And I still need to find a broker that allows for a living trust to be the beneficiary. And a lot of them do. Robinhood just isn't one of them. I do, honestly, I will tell you, I do love the Robinhood platform. I love the app. Easy to trade from the phone if you have to. But we're going to have to move a lot of the money out of it just for good financial planning. I've just been dragging my feet a little bit. So that's where we're at as far as the portfolio is concerned. This is what went on today. If you missed yesterday, you missed some fireworks as we were just firing off our positions, selling them closed on all of our silver and gold and miners. And even we bought some more SPY and 3 times directional SPXL. And then today we did watch, and then it was making my butt stink. Just like, is it going to go up? Is it going to break out? What's it going to do? Oh my God, up and down and up and down. So once it started going up to a position that I felt, hey, I'm feeling pretty good because my goal was 2K per position, and we checked both of those boxes. So I did get stopped out at the SPXL at 143.01 for an even. It was like 2,034 cents. So I just put the $2,000 up there. So we got an even 2K there. And then on the SPY, we did get stopped out at 562.45. And if you're watching the S&P at the very end of the day, it had a really nice little, tried to make a run. And then right when the market closed, right when the bell rang, it started to go down. And currently it's at 561.74. So to sell out or be stopped out at 562.45, I'm doing just fine. I'm happy with that. And then put all that cash back into the skinny jeans to collect our 4%. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, what is that? Let's go back here. So 2834. 2,834,613 times 0.04. That's $113,384 a year in interest if you just left it in there and collected it. Nothing wrong with that. I'll take that each day of the week. And you know how many times on a Friday or on a Sunday? Okay, speaking of Fridays, do have a little pizza party over at our friends Brian and Kristen's house. Probably drink a little Miller Lite, and they'll probably try to crack out one of their fancy bottles of wine, and that's fine because we are going to begin planning our European river cruise. You know, France and Paris and Florence and all the good stuff. So that'll be exciting to plan and to look forward to for next summer. This summer, we're doing the Mighty 5 over in the Utah area, 5 of some of the best well-known national parks in all of the lands. So we have that going for us. Lady Tanzalot has back-to-back sunny vacations coming up. Her and the girls, Madison, Maya, and Maya's best friend Claire, are going to head down to Playa del Carmen, spend, I think, 6 nights down there for spring break. And then she is going again in, I think, like the 3rd week of April with her cousin and her aunt to, I'll have to let you know. It's something over by, it's a little island, Anna Maria Island. Is that a place down in Florida near Tampa, I believe? So she has that going for us. But for the first time in several years, I will be enjoying all of March Madness. Normally we're on spring break, but this year, kid 3, because he's in a college level vocational, he is on spring break from vocational this week, but not from his high school. So he has essentially half days this week. Then I don't think is there spring break next week? Why don't I know? Probably because we're not going anywhere. So he has spring break from the high school, but then he'll be back in the vocational class. So I'll be hanging with him. We'll be having a good time. Stella Bella, our furry little 9-pound Shih Tzu, will be keeping us company. A lot to look forward to for everyone. Let's get to the charts just to see. Wait a minute. Don't just go right to Bitcoin. All right, here we are in the silver. And this was the box that I chose to sell in. It doesn't mean I'm done. Not even close, bud. I'm waiting for a deeper drawdown in this because this is 5. We kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. So that means we need a 4, a decent drawdown and a 4, and then catapult up to a 5. Is that all the 4 we're going to get? I don't know. How it closed. You would think so because it had a huge, oh, there it is. It had a huge green candle up. So we'll keep an eye on it. I'll probably do some short trades here and there. AGQ, NUG-T, all the good stuff as far as the metals and miners are concerned. But a very nice little run we had there in silver, and it's not done yet. Same with gold, not done yet. GLD, we got out in this box as we planned. Then we'll look for a retrace, and we'll get back in. GDX, I still don't have a 3 in here. What is going on? Still got some room to rise up. Probably 44 to 45. I'll measure it up for you, let you know. Bitcoin, couple of things. One, it broke out to the north out of the upper trend line, and this is just short, just a handful of days. But then it just dipped right back down into it. Is this our 4 and we still got a 5? I don't know. Okay. And I put this on earlier. This is the Bitcoin Micro. So this is like a day and a half worth. We didn't get the 3 I was expecting today. I expected that to happen today, and it was making my way up to you, babe. Then it fell short because it really would have looked much better up here. No, that cannot be all of 3 if this is indeed the direction. Everything's acting a little wacky, though. Don't you agree? Little wacky. So there's our post, 561.78, a full dollar from when the bell rang for regular trading hours. So that, I'm glad I was out and didn't have to experience that. Had a little bit of profit. Certainly, I still have the thesis that this thing's shooting up through here, right up through there. So we'll see what goes on Monday. Could re-enter. I don't know, but I'm not sad to be out for the weekend. Had our little breakout here. That's nice. Held it. Again, these are just for my viewing pleasure, but a lot of times this will give me a feeling of the next moves. So I still feel pretty good about S&P and SPY. But as I said, I'll reiterate it. I'm not upset to be out. Oh, look at that. But look at that. It actually hit right on the line at close and then turned down. That's interesting. Very, very interesting. Here is the futures. Same here. I was looking for this to be taken out today. Put this on this morning or yesterday late. I can't remember. Tried to challenge it, but then turned back down. You see where the dotted red line is. TLT still just baffling me, befuddling me, confusing me, making my butt stink. Get up here. Get up here. It's going to make this move, and I just don't have any idea at this point when. Are we done with the ABC into the 4? We'll find out probably Monday or Tuesday. This could be all of 4. It's wacky. Uranium. Quit playing games with my heart. Thought we were on to something again today, and only 2. All right, that's what we got. Hope you have an amazing weekend. Hope you have incredible plans, friends, family members, all of the good stuff. Like, subscribe, comment, share this channel and this video with a lovable friend, and I'll see you in the next video.